So what I want to show is how to update the charts, the graphs. So here is the reading chart. Here's the reading accuracy, reading speed, and they're both calculated from our data. So let's say we want to add another point. So we will just type in, I don't know, we'll just make this a new data point, 2020. And we're going to say our actual was 20 and our goal was 19. So these are all calculated percent increase. So what I always do when I want to take a formula from one column and just add it down, I simply hover over that, and you can do the copy paste like that, come down to this new square and paste, and you can see, oops, I need to do this, 19 and 20. I don't want it to be so large. And you can see that automatically updates. We can also do the same thing here. Now I control C on the keyboard and control V. Those are my shortcuts. Control C, control V to get that that factor in. So once we have our new data, now we see that that's not represented in either one of our graphics because they stop at the 2023. So now we come down here and I click on the line, and now you see here's the data that are part of these two points. So while I've got that selected and the line selected, I just come up here and grab, pull down, and it automatically adjusts. Come over here, do the same thing, click on the line. There's our data, pull down, and pull down, boom, and it automatically adjusts. And then you can save. Now, if you want a graphic similar to you know, any certain page, let's just say you want this relative to something else, what I then do is I go and I just copy that data table, Control C to copy, I make a new page, then Control V to paste. Now if you ever see those hashtags, it's just because there's not enough room, and I just double click that line to make enough room for it to show. And in this case, you can make this be anything you want, spelling. We may already have a spelling. And you say, okay, our goal for spelling was to get 20 correct, but actually only got 15. And you see it just everything automatically updates and everything recalculates. And then you can do that, and you can just save it. So the other thing I want to show, if your data starts to get so long that your graphs are kind of in the way and blocked, you can just click and hold and drag this anywhere on the page and just get it out of the way, and it still works. Just make sure to resave your work, and you can always update it on the fly just like that.